Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to add auto captions in CapCut 2025. If you're editing videos on CapCut, you know how important captions are for making your content accessible, boosting engagement, and even helping with SEO. Plus, with the 2025 updates, the process is faster and more accurate than ever. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of CapCut installed on your device. Open the app and start a new project or import your existing video. Once your video is loaded, head over to the editing timeline at the bottom of the screen. That's where the magic happens. Next, look for the Text or Captions tab, usually represented by a T icon or speech bubble. Tap on it to open the Text Tools menu. Now, scroll down until you find the Auto Captions option. This is a new feature in the 2025 update that uses AI to generate captions automatically. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose your video's language and any specific settings, like caption style or speed. Hit the Generate button, and CapCut will analyze your audio and create captions in seconds. Don't worry if they're not perfect, you can easily edit them by tapping on the text bubbles in the timeline. Adjust the timing, wording, or even add emojis for a fun touch. Once you're happy with how it looks, preview your video to ensure everything syncs up smoothly. Finally, export your project. Go to the Export menu, select your desired quality and format, and voila, your video with auto captions is ready to share. Remember, auto captions aren't always 100% accurate, especially with accents or background noise, so always double check for errors. There you have it, a simple guide to adding auto captions in CapCut for 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and keep creating. Word count 358.